Hey guys, today I want to talk about how funnel marketing applies to fill in the blank. So it doesn't really matter whether you are a product, a service, or information, as in the case of like ministry or nonprofit. It doesn't matter, funnel marketing will work for you, and we're going to talk about how that works. Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 ways to use funnel marketing in your business. So the first is by building a landing page where people come to find a solution to a simple, focused problem. This page should ask the user to do something, called a CTA or a call to action. Make this super simple, like give you their contact info and permission to talk to them more. The next way you can use funnel marketing for your business is to build an upsell or one-time offer page that solves the next logical problem your lead might have. Give them an opportunity to purchase from you. And make it a no-brainer that delivers high value for a low price point. Give them the opportunity to get to know you and what you can do for them. A third way to use funnel marketing for your business is to build a thank you or order confirmation page that delivers what you promised and invites them to engage more, maybe by following you on social media or answering a question, something like that. Make it easy for them to get what they need without having to think too much. Tell them what they can expect from you and next steps to follow. The next way you can use funnel marketing for your business is to set up a series of emails that will go out at intervals to your new lead. The welcome email should thank them and introduce you. It should make a connection and avoid selling anything at this point. The next few emails should continue to give value and teach them something, help them solve a problem, things like that. The final way you can use funnel marketing for your business is to build a sales page that offers your continuity product or your main service or promotion, such as an affiliate program or membership program or coaching call. That continues to pay you and it continues to serve them. Lead your new prospect through your offerings as they make sense for that client. And that brings me to the end of this lesson, but if you want more funnel marketing tips, subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you can get tons of awesome funnel marketing secrets. Goodbye and thanks for watching.